Litter Media provides a unique focus on communities throughout central and southern Ohio, spotlighting its local events, its people, its lifestyles, and its interesting geography. LitterMedia.com shares news about our communities. Litter Media's social media platforms are an extension of our features and a way to connect with our audience. Take a tour of our YouTube channel and click on the subscribe button. It's free. Click the bell and you'll be notified when we add something new. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and feel free to share our posts too. You'll find our contact information when you click on the About tab. Thanks for watching Litter Media.